I pulled the stator, and what I see here, look at that. Look how much farm dust is on there. And then there's a little bit of dust or wet dirt right here. What this tells me is that this seal in here is leaking just a tiny bit. I may have a replacement seal for that. The inside of the stator unit right here has got all kinds of tumbleweeds and assorted bullshit in it, and I don't have good light. That's the back of it. The front is here. What I need to do is take myself a toothbrush and gently clean everything off, and then clean off the I don't know where the eye is at though. The eye has to be somewhere in there. It's probably right in here. So I'm going to clean the unit as best as I can, see if I can find myself another seal. Hopefully it'll take a standard oil seal. I'll pull the seal, put a new seal on there, and get this all cleaned up. But I'm so glad that I pulled the flywheel, because this was a problem. The bike was running fine. It was doing up to 26, 27 miles an hour. But I knew that if I found dust and the very fine farm dust, because we're in farm country, that it would probably be on the rotor. On the rotor, stator I mean, and on the flywheel. I didn't know I'd find so much. I didn't think the bike could work with all that contamination in between the magnets and the electrical field. So I'm going to clean all this up, take another look at it. I'm making these videos for my own record. You can look at them if you want. I may need to look at this again. The last time I rebuilt this bike was 8 years ago, January 2010. So anyone out there that's working on one of these and has a problem, please look at my videos, and it may help you. God bless you. Amen.